What's up everybody, it's your boy Hugh here from CreatorUp. Today I want to make a quick review video of one of the brand new unit I got for my Obsidian S professional stereoscopic camera. It is battery plus Wi-Fi unit. That is an accessory add-on you can purchase extra from the website. This is actually a lifesaver because this unit right now I don't even want to film with my Insta360 Pro anymore because this unit makes everything just so much easier. Before this unit, if you want to film the Obsidian S or R, you do need to bring an extra router with your Wi-Fi unit, an extra Ethernet cable, maybe even extra battery like a V-Lock battery, and 3 different pieces attached to your monopod or put it on a base. And it's really not convenient for a mobile shooter like me because I usually film in outside, film in a concert area, require me constantly moving the camera to different location and then avoid like tripping people over because I actually film around party people. That's mostly my gig is. So it's not practical for me. And that's why I only use the Obsidian in a really controlled environment. I don't need to worry about tripping people over. I don't need to worry about all this like scenario. But now with this unit, I can have the battery unit and Wi-Fi unit all contained in here. So as you see, the Wi-Fi cable is right here, the battery cable is right here, PoE into the camera to provide me remote control on the spot. So no more extra modem, no more extra cable, no more extra V-Lock battery. This battery with the internal battery provided inside the camera can allow me to film at least 3 hours of filming time, which is really good. Now this camera just becomes super mobile. And let me show you how to actually connect with your mobile phone, mobile app to remote control the Obsidian camera with this Wi-Fi unit right now. So go ahead and turn the camera on, the Obsidian on. Again, while the Wi-Fi unit is connected with the Obsidian, as you see the Wi-Fi unit right now is connected with the Ethernet cable right here. The Obsidian is turning on. So after the Obsidian is on, go ahead and turn on your phone and go into Wi-Fi and go into Wi-Fi menu and turn the Wi-Fi on, obviously. And then the camera should able to find the unit, the Wi-Fi unit right here connect on the bottom of the camera, which is the Highlink 1585. And there you should have the model number when you receive the Wi-Fi unit. And then go ahead and connect that. You ask for your password. The password is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ahead and connect. And now the Wi-Fi unit is connected with your phone. So now you can go ahead and open your Obsidians and hit connect with Wi-Fi. And as you see, the Highlink 1585 is right here in session camera. Okay, see now we find a camera. That is my camera right here. Tap that. And then directly go into preview mode of all 4 lenses or 6 lenses. So let me just also demo like a quick setup for how to control your Obsidian with the mobile app since we have it here. So usually that is a 6K 30 frame camera. So this one can actually shot like slow motion. So I will pick usually because it's Obsidian S, right? So I can film 50 frames per second in 6K. So usually that's my setting. And then I usually set in standard. So right now it's pretty bright indoor. I will use the lock 1 mode. If you are in a dark scenario, you can use lock 2. And then I usually like 60 megabit per second, but you can also put 100 megabit per second constant bitrate. I don't need to do that. So I will save some memory. And then I usually use shutter angle, so it's already there. Video codec, you can pick 264 and 265. So people usually argue like which one should I pick? For me, I pick H.264 because I like to bring my footage into post-production in After Effects. At least the 264 is a less compressed codec than 265. So that's why I picked 264 instead of 265. And then I will just go ahead and pick individual lenses and then hit the exposure and just play with the exposure and the mode. See right here. Usually I pick ISO priority mode. If it's too dark, I'll rise up the EV to 1, so now the scene's like brighter. And then I will go through each lenses to adjust to my liking, and then we'll start filming right here. So hopefully you like this video. Again, I'm really in love with this new battery unit, a Wi-Fi unit. come with the Obsidians and really make this camera become my to-go weapon for literally anything, for personal shoot and for professional shoot. In the next video, I'm gonna review the brand new Obsidian Live program available now after NAB. This program allows me to do live stream. It's 4K, 2D, and 3D stereoscopic live stream with an SDI out. It's a really powerful live stream with optical flow. You can see my first review video here about South by Southwest, but I'm gonna do an actual live stream with this new software in my house and show you the result of how powerful is optical flow live stream and how good is the stitch. So you will see the result yourself. And even more, what you're watching right now is a complete solution for capturing and rendering volumetric 6-degree of freedom experience. And this is captured and reconstruct and render by multiple Obsidian VR camera. And as you see, this is a real 6-degree of freedom experience and can be viewed in a 6-DoF tracking VR headset with more freedom of movement. And that is a very exciting feature as well coming up with the Obsidians. So if you want to watch that video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give me a thumb up and I will see you next time.